All right, this is the AZOR bass EQ. Really nice metal case on here. Very solid case. Nice button on here. Basically have 5 adjusters and a level on here that lights up when you power it. It does not come with a power supply. I'm using a Boss 9-volt 500 milliamp power supply. It comes with 2 different adhesive backed bottoms on here. You got the Velcro and just the pad, and it comes with an owner's manual that really doesn't tell you much. It's a 5-band EQ. All right, I'm running this through an old custom cabinet. I got everything clean. I have the 3 EQs set to 5. So I'm going to play the same riff over and over again just so you can hear the changes in this. So when you turn it on, it gives you a boost on this level. For instance, if I just play this, you can hear that boost. So I'll just dial this into 5. The levels all have a click in the middle, so they'll set in the middle right there so you know when you're dead even. We got 5, we got 62.5 hertz all the way up to 4K. So just going on the bass on the bottom. You can hear that. Level 2 EQ. I think I have everything too loud. So go to the mid range here. I'll go up to the A. You get some nice clarity out of the mid range. Let's try this 1K. That's my favorite so far. And the 4K, which I don't think is doing much. You can hear it dropping out. But when I boost it, not a lot there. I realize what I'm getting here, so that's all right for me. I've got a treble knob on the amp. I can deal with that. But yeah, works as advertised, with the exception I think the 4K output could be a little higher. The sliders tend to be a little linear. You know, they don't roll as smoothly as I would like. I'm buying this as a companion to a Steve Harris SH1 Tech 21 pedal I have, just so that I can tweak it a little bit on the EQ side of it. Does what it's supposed to do for the most part. I'm okay with it. AZOR bass EQ.